If you have a Ford Escape with a display in the center of the dash, then I'm going to show you how to set the clock, the date, and the 24-hour or standard clock. Click on Menu, Clock Settings, click OK. To set the time, click OK. Then use the down, up, left, right arrow. Once you complete your settings, click OK. Then go to Set Date. Same thing, click OK. Then use the down, up, left, right arrow. Once you complete your settings, then click OK. And then just go down the 24-hour clock. Click OK to activate it. And then click OK to go back to the standard clock. Once you complete it, just click Menu, and that's it.